good?
That should be good.
And then moisten the soil?
Yeah, just moisten it a little bit before you put your strawberry seeds in it. Because remember, allegedly, we have to plant 125 seeds.
We need some more water.
Make it stretch.
I don't know. I need some more. That don't even look like it's wet.
It is. I see it.
You want me to put all this in there?
Yeah, spread them out though.
This is it.
They say 125.
It's not 125. Look at that. That's not 125.
Let's show them. This is what we actually got. Oh, put your hand back. It certainly does not look like 125 seeds. Okay.
Yeah, I just sprinkle it.
Well, you can make like a little. Take your shovel and make like a little row, like, and then you can push them and cover them up. Either way. Yeah. Just go all the way down, and then we'll see. Maybe we'll have strawberries one day, and maybe not. We'll see.
And then cover it.
That's it. All right, we'll plant it. You're probably just gonna have to kind of pull it from the top, but try not to. So this is a busy day outside for us. We just finished planting some strawberry seeds, and now we're trying to propagate this fern plant. I got this fern plant for Mother's Day about 2 months ago, and it has clearly outgrown the container. So I'm gonna try to have it cut in half and divide it into 2 fern plants. I picked up another pot from Dollar General, and I have the Forever Sharp knife out, and hopefully I can use that to cut it in half. See, I probably should have did this earlier because this got way too big for that container. Good God.
This knife too flimsy.
Is it hard to cut through?
Good knife.
It doesn't matter if you use all the soil in it. Well, yeah, it doesn't matter if you need all of it or not. Okay, that's good.
The water, the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. That's good enough.